Send your buddies first. Cause your tummy hurts? Think about your game plan. Cause I don't work with honesty. Play chess with my mind. I'll buy the board and play Monopoly. You can't cold call and still be shaking in fear. Take credit for a heist that wasn't even your idea. I go a party every day full of ladies with their boobs out. You throw a summer party with yourself and your Scrooge gal. My marketing strategies on you started a family. You put a masquerade with fragile brains and hand grenades in charge of your identity. How would you target your enemy? Hiding behind your damn PC doesn't recharge your memory. You freak out and mommy cello when it's getting louder, like your crew is breaking windows while you just opened the browser. What about you, Inspector Chick? Did she vanish from your eyes? Kid, I got her downstairs taking shots, but this time she liked it. Your company already had a shaky start. For walking on Wall Street, you seems easy to break apart. That pack of animals leaves me with a question mark. Get more profit if you move your zoo into Central Park. You have what it takes to scramble your brain. You put the pen on so many checks and live your merits and raise. Since your mind comes to money, your love has been destroyed. Now you're only getting head when you flip a coin. The suit thousands from Jews to cows. All of you respect once you got the loot chewed out. And soon your mountains of screws moved out. And you quarterly report that stuff from boom boom town. You can't troll the Wall Street, your comedy's dead. You can watch me clown on you from your hospital bed. Your crew may have found the exit, but you can't save face. The only hole you dug into the bag was your brother's grave. Got astounding assistants who have my thousands of figures, so don't be proud of your gimmicks before you're counting the digits. You said your lousy equipment below the ground like some dishes. Say Bella Ciao to your bitches cause they just drowned in your business. The difference we got in our business plan is that I'm not real by greed and bigotry. You got blinded by your bank account and couldn't bank on accountability. Then you take it to business cause you the crack in the system. The before and after picture of capitalism. A sad sack with a back full of fascist rich men. You couldn't hide your lies if dummy sass couldn't grip them. Now you gotta come clean, the cops all over your nose. I leave you in your prison bros alone with the soul. But stop blaming all the drugs. Say how you talk when you don't. People pay you to teach and how you go from broker to broke. By simply splitting out backs while everyone hates your guys. Breaking news, Jordan. You can spend your money on trust. But numbers are different, you occupy me for a minute. Let us spend it on in your entire existence.
Thank you.